What's up, guys? Join me as I unbox this air fryer. This is a Tefal Easy Fry. Come. So this air fryer has a 4.2 liters capacity, 8 different modes from fries, cutlet, shrimp, cake, pizza, fish, grill, and roasts. It also has a 60-minute timer with auto shut off and adjustable temperature up to 200 degrees, an innovative basket system. It has a non-stick coating as well, and a dishwasher safe removable parts. It has a compact design and a digital touchscreen panel, and can serve up to 6 people in total. So as you can see, it looks like it has this metal part that they use for like the electric stove, and then there will be like a fan there. So you put in your chicken now, and then
Happy feet. Happy leg. We put the one time. What?
we'll do just manual setup. 200, and this one will be. So guys, we're checking after 30 minutes, and there you have it. It's burned, and that's because I put the wrong temperature for this one. For roasted chicken, whole chicken, it says that I need to set it 180, but I set it at 200 for 60 minutes. So we have a burnt chicken right now, but we're gonna turn it over to the other side and check if it's already also burnt. So I think there's still a chance, but because it's still okay on the other side, we just turn it this side and try to cook this on the correct temperature at 180 instead of 200 degrees Celsius. We're gonna put it to 180 instead of 200, and then we will start. We'll restart. So guys, we are rechecking it. We still have 27 minutes remaining, and we're at 180 degrees now. So I will stop it. So you can see it's put on hold. So we're gonna open it. And that's the other side. Now, it looks okay. I suggest you have to check it from time to time to avoid the what happened earlier. At least you can see if it's, the heat is okay. The temperature is fine. So you have to put it back. Let's give it another. So you can see once you put it back, it will go back to the same settings, and then you will see still the remaining minutes and same settings for the temperature. All you have to do is to restart. You will hear it run again. After 40 minutes, we're gonna recheck again. And I think this is already okay. We will not finish the 60 minutes. So 40 minutes time, it's already been cooked. So we'll put it in the plate now.